Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video interview at the Hux World. Now we're going to tie this into another lineup, but I thought this deserved a solo review. Now this is a live wallpaper if I've ever seen one on a watch face. I thought it was nice. Now I don't know if this is for the ladies or for the guys or if it's unisex. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. Now the name of the watch face is called Ren 040 Cat. I like this look. I thought this was way outside of the box for a design digital watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job. You just got to keep looking at this watch face because I thought it was tight. That's what I wanted you to see. So every now and then, the cat looks across the screen. I thought that was super, super, super awesome. And in AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look so it doesn't cut off. But for casual wear, for a weekend wear, for a watch face that's going to turn some heads, this one is definitely one of those watch faces to get your digital time down at the bottom. And the watch face, surprisingly, people, is interactive. So if I tap down at the bottom, double tap, I can pull up my calorie information, my step status info, heart rate, things of that nature. I can tap in the middle and I can pull up, of course, my recents. And you just tap all the way around the watch and you can pull up different applications like this here. You can set your shortcut. If I tap over here, let's see what we got here. You pull up your calendar, and over here you can pull up your weather if I'm not mistaken. No, that's your battery. Pull up your battery, and this is nice. I thought the developer definitely did a nice job on this watch face. But listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you play a watch face like this, whether it be over the weekend or whether it be through the work week. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this solo review. Hit me in the comment section below, as I said. Let me know what your thoughts are. And hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh, and don't forget, hit the notification bell because many people are not being notified. So therefore, you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.